Hey everyone, welcome to daily draw number 105, if I'm not mistaken. Drawing Hitmonlee today.
This is 106.
Is it 106? Okay, I'm not good at the numbers. So we are in a car right now on our way to California for Fantasm. So shout out to all the future people that are future to me, but probably past to when you're seeing this. We met at Fantasm. You're all cool. So Hitmonlee, my mother exclusively refers to as Hitmonlee with the kicking feet because one of my younger brothers saw the episode with the Pokemon fighting tournament where Ash's Primeape was I think it was like the only episode where Ash's Primeape really did anything, besides of course the infamous Jelly Donut episode. But so there was a Pokemon boxing competition, and Hitmonlee was introduced as Hitmonlee the Kicking Fiend. But my poor he was like 5 or 6 at the time, and he thought he said Hitmonlee with the kicking feet. So every time he saw Hitmonlee on like a Pokemon card or in one of the games or like the little action figure I had, he'd be like, "It's Hitmonlee with the kicking feet." So that's still a thing that we will occasionally say in the household. So I was reading the Pokedex entries for Hitmonlee, as one does when they're trying to figure out what the heck the anatomy of this thing is, which, by the way, I am so incredibly happy with how my pose for this guy turned out. It's not quite as chibi as I was going for, but I don't know, I'm really, really happy with the pose overall. You can see here I decided to do the leg a bit more curved upwards to try to add a bit more movement to it because it looked pretty stiff over what was in my sketch, and I was just very, very happy with the result. So anyway, the Pokedex entries for Hitmonlee, first of all, I think at some point they decided we really need to teach these children proper exercise care and routines, because halfway through the Pokedex entries, instead of being about how good this guy is at kicking, suddenly are about how he remembers to massage his legs after every strenuous workout, just so he doesn't get muscle cramps. It's like, thanks Pokemon, that's exactly what I'm looking for in a Pokedex entry. But the other thing it said is that as this guy runs, his legs will just get longer and he'll just start bouncing across the world. I know, which is not a thing I know! It's not a thing I ever saw in the anime, but boy howdy if I don't want to animate that right now. And I remember them doing that in the Pokemon Adventures manga. They had this guy with his legs just stretch out, and it was so off-putting. And I thought they were just pulling stuff out of nowhere, but nope, that comes right from the freaking Pokedex. So just in case you guys are wondering if he's just wearing some sort of band on his legs, no, his legs are like those pop tubes that just stretch out. So, yeah, there is Hitmonlee with the kicking feet. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Bye!